I wanted to come here and see it with my own eyes as I saw pictures taken those colorful hills on Facebook or Google Maps. In the heart of Utah, there was a magical land known as the Bentonite Hills. These hills were unlike any other, with their vibrant bands of brown, red, purple, gray, and green, creating a mesmerizing rainbow landscape that seemed to come straight out of a fairy tale. The Bentonite Hills are a geological gem, a place where the Earth's history is written in vibrant colors and unique formations. They remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. The hills were made of bentonite clay, a special type of clay formed from ancient volcanic ash. This clay had a unique property. It could absorb water and swell up, becoming slick and gummy when wet. This made the hills both beautiful and treacherous, as travelers had to be cautious not to get stuck in the sticky clay after a rainstorm. It is located in the center of rugged landscape of Utah. The Bentonite Hills stand as a testament to the Earth's dynamic geological history. We drove SR 24 westbound from Hanksville, Utah, then turn right to Hartnett Cathedral Road, then cross Fremont River.
Take the next left onto East 625 South, East Hartnett Road South, then turn right onto Hartnett Cathedral Road.
Fremont River was shallow and easy to cross with a little bit clearance this time of season.
Turn right onto Hartnett Cathedral Road.
근데 되게 웃긴다. 진짜.
이 길이 더 좋은 길이다.
이 길이 더 낫다. 아까 그거보다.
이 사람들인 것 같아.
근데 너무너무 웃긴다. 저 위에 저건 다 또 뭐야?
박스. 짐.
진짜 웃긴다. 아이, 진짜 추워서 어떻게 계속
Continue on Hartnett Cathedral Road for 8 miles.
저 사람
We found a mechanical structure on the back of an old truck by the road where some spring water is coming out of ground and form an oasis. We also could see Bentonite Hills in the distance.
저 위로도 사람들이 막 올라갔는데 발이 푹 빠지면서
운동화 정말 긴 부츠 있잖아. 그런 거 입고 올라가면 뭐 빠지더라도 막 기어 올라가면 올라가긴 올라가지.
올라가긴 올라가. 끝까지 올라가긴 했어.
그 메모리 카드 새로 갈았는데
그랬어.
저녁에 어떻게 청구를 해봐야지.
컴퓨터에다
저게
옮겨.
막 청구를 옮겨봐야지. 컴퓨터에다. 메모리 카드를 몇 개를 더 사가지고 컴퓨터 안 가져다니고 그냥
막 지금?
지금
아이,
내가
그것도
메모리 카드
방법이야.
As we climbed the road, true colors of bentonite displayed in front of our eyes. These hills, with their striking layers of brown, red, purple, gray, and green, captivate the imagination of all who visit.
메모리 카드에 그렇게 쓸 수가 있어?
아니 메모리 카드 위에다가 번호만 매겨놓고
아, 통에다가 이렇게.
그래가지고 노트에다가 이렇게 그래 하면 그 번호 외적으로 써놨으니까 숫자를 이게 뭐 지울 순 없잖아 메모리 카드에 있는 거 그러니까 그거는 또 다음에는 며칠 몇 번 카드로 어디 갔다 뭐
와, 여기 있네. 이렇게 와보니까.
근데 저 내려갈 수 있으면 저기는 올라갈 수 있을 것 같다 어차피
그러게.
그지?
한번 해볼 수도 있지. 저기 가면은 연결됐으니까.
근데 저런 데 앞에 저기 있는 데 있잖아 우리가 저쪽에서 온 거지 그지?
In this magical place, there is a story was born. In this enchanted land, there lived a young geologist named Emma. Emma was fascinated by the Bentonite Hills and their colorful layers. She spent her days exploring the hills, collecting samples, and studying the unique properties of the bentonite clay. She discovered that the clay had many uses, from drilling mud in oil and gas wells to a natural sealant for ponds and landfills. One day, while exploring a particularly vibrant section of the hills, Emma stumbled upon an ancient artifact buried in the clay. It was a small, intricately carved stone that seemed to glow with an inner light. As she carefully cleaned the artifact, she realized it was a piece of an ancient map. Excited by her discovery, Emma followed the clues on the map, which led her deeper into the hills. Along the way, she encountered various challenges, from navigating the slick, gummy clay to deciphering the ancient symbols on the map. But Emma was determined and resourceful, using her knowledge of geology and the properties of bentonite to overcome each obstacle. Finally, after days of exploration, Emma reached the hidden cave marked on the map. Inside, she found a treasure trove of ancient artifacts and scrolls, revealing the secrets of a long-lost civilization that had once thrived in the Bentonite Hills. The scrolls told stories of how the people had used the bentonite clay for everything from building materials to healing remedies and unique religion unlike any other, and the story of heavenly visitations. Emma's discovery brought her great joy and recognition in the scientific community and even branches of social science studies. She shared her findings with the world, shedding light on the fascinating history and properties of bentonite clay. The Bentonite Hills became a popular destination for geologists, historians, and adventurers alike, all eager to uncover the secrets hidden within the colorful layers of clay. And so, the Bentonite Hills continued to enchant and inspire all who visited, their vibrant colors and unique properties a testament to the wonders of nature and the mysteries of the past. Emma's story became a legend, reminding everyone that with curiosity, determination, and a rich scientific knowledge, even the most ordinary seeming places could hold extraordinary secrets. Please come here for new findings of your own and impact the world for good. So, we decided to explore back road of the hills, navigating and try to find anything out of ordinary. on this untamed road and found other people came here earlier by their tire tracks, but found nothing but some good camping spots there. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next episode that will be the Temple of the Sun and the Temple of the Moon in Cathedral Valley.